Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at these 2022 Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid SX in steel gray with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 49,000 miles in the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90548A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.